Alright, go. Who's next, Rigo? Get your monkey ass over here. What?
No, man. It's you.
Just do something. Just do something.
Don't go back there, but that'd be a hurt.
Yeah. Huh? He just jumped like. That hurt? God damn, man. It feels like it hurt. It sounded like it hurt. What? What? Tell Mark to do swan bomb.
Mark! Do a swanton bomb.
Get to it, man!
Tsunami.
Look at Swagg, Reggie's ass.
Holy shit. Get your
I got it, man.
Up, man.
That shit hurt my back.
Ay, si quieres vete una putiza, güey.
Huh?
Si quieres vete en putiza, te ¿verdad?
Nah, I'm good.
Left. Right, come closer. In here? Yeah, right in that whole area. Go all the way down on the water. All the way down. Put your hands up. Yeah, deep, man. Touch.
My what,
Touch
eh?
it. Put your hands up.
That's a perfect.
Good. Are you touching?
Yeah.
Wait, nah.
Yes, I am, dude.
I will come closer right here. Closer.
Swag, if you jump off in the middle, it is like that's really deep right there.
Alright, I got you. Hey, go over there, Steve. Over there.
Where?
Right about there.
Over here?
Yeah.
You want me to send you this video?
Send it to me, dude.
Alright.
I like that shit.
Alright, go ahead.
Hurry up, man, you're wasting my memory.
You got SD card too?
Yeah, it's got a SD card, 16 gigs. Yeah.
He's dead, dude. He's dead.
Where'd he go?
He's dead. Go get him, Victor.
Oh shit, where? Oh, there it is.
God, again, man! Oh! Oh, my head! Again!
Vamos por allá, güey. Vamos por allá,
¡Ah, mi cabeza!